good collaboration means the sum is greater than its parts, and we can achieve much more than what we can do individually.
What we know is that academia is moving toward more collaborations. So for people to learn how to collaborate well is a really perfect way to enhance your professional and personal skill set.
Researchers should take this course on collaboration because collaboration is proven to help you advance your career. And so this is giving you the best chance to have the best set of skills to help you move your career forward.
To understand how to establish effective collaboration will benefit you as a researcher and to benefit the scientific community overall.
Research collaboration is increasingly recognized by research funders. Funds go more and more to projects that are interdisciplinary or big international collaborations.
Obviously, if you've never been in a collaboration before, then getting insights into how you can set them up, what the dynamics might be, how you can arrange the outputs, obviously there's a clear benefit there.
Having this taught to you is this amazing opportunity that allows you to learn firsthand from people who have experience.
There's a lot of details and know-how that you can learn from others. And we put this course so as that you can take the most advantage of other people's experiences and all those details that may actually make a difference.